Oh, hey, no,
Raise it high.
oh, oh, hey, yo.
Sailors Grave.
They packed up the city and headed for coast, back to the paddocks and the place they love most, where the hard wind runs and the tall gums sway. On the farm by the sea, it's Sailors Grave.
Chris brought the brewing and the long slow flame. Gabe brought the Ocos and the family name. And out of the weather and the salt sea air, they built something true and they built it there.
Raise a glass at Sailors Grave to the wild old coast and the life we've made, where the beer runs cold and the stories flow and the sea wind sings where the tall guns blow. Raise a glass, let the whole room sing for the salt, the land, and the good things bring from the old dune days to the bar lights glow. Raise a glass at Sailors Grave, yo.
There's a big bright shed on the rise by the road, a stunning bar where the good beer's poured, a beer garden open to the sky and breeze, and long tables set out under coastal trees.
Good food coming warm from the kitchen door, friends turning up and then calling for more, and inside this room when the days run late for a feast, a function, or to celebrate. Raise a glass at Sailors Grave to the wild old coast and the life we've made, where the beer runs cold and the stories flow and the sea wind sings where the tall gums blow. Raise a glass, let the whole room sing for the salt, the land, and the good things bring from the old dune days to the bar lights glow. Raise a glass at Sailors Grave, yo-ho.
In the sandpit with the rack to climb, laughter rolling in the afternoon time, while out in the glass is the coast itself, not something bought from a city shelf. Salt from the sea and the wild yeast strain, bush botanicals, the snowy plains, a taste of the country, a taste of the breeze, a little wild coast carried in from the trees. Not just a brewery, not just a name, but a place where the old coast still burns like flame, from the shipwreck stories in the dune side air to the people who gather and the lives they share.
Oh, hey, yo.
Here's to the land and the open sky.
Oh, hey,
Yo, a little wild coast in every pore.
raise a glass at Sailors Grave to the wild old coast and the life we've made, where the beer runs cold and the stories flow and the sea wind sings where the tall gums blow. Raise a glass, let the whole room sing for the salt, the land, and the good things bring from the old dune days to the bar lights glow. Raise a glass at Sailors Grave, yo, hey, yo.